Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Maryland, the District of Columbia, Virginia, and eastern West Virginia, including the following areas: in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince George's, and Southern Baltimore. The District of Columbia. In Virginia, Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Augusta, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Eastern Highland, Eastern Lothian, Fairfax, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, Page, Prince William, Rockingham, Shenandoah, and Western Highland. In Eastern West Virginia, Eastern Grant, Eastern Pendleton, Hardy, Western Grant, and Western Pendleton. Until 9 p.m. this evening, numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms are expected through early this evening. Localized rainfall amounts around 1 to 2 inches are possible within a short period of time, and this may result in flash flooding for small streams, creeks, and urban areas. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.